Know your rights when facing deportation. This is the key to your survival. In this video, we'll discuss some of the most important rights you have when facing deportation. I'm attorney Ahmed Yaqzan, and I've represented people in immigration court for more than 15 years at this point. And let me tell you, having an experienced attorney representing you in removal proceedings is one of the best decisions that you will make. I promise you, going with a cheap attorney is not going to be the best decision for you. You need to fight your removal proceedings with the best advocate on your side. What are some of the ways to avoid removal proceedings and some of the rights that you have in removal proceedings that you have to watch out for? Number one, you have the right to due process, meaning the government has to send you a hearing notice every time you go to a hearing. They have to inform you of your rights. They have to inform you of things and how things are going to go in your removal proceedings. Number two, you have the right to an impartial judge. The judge cannot take a side, cannot take your side, or cannot take the government side. He cannot take over the proceedings and should have the government prove its case for removal from the United States. The judge cannot go outside of what the government has proven and order your removal from the United States. Number three, you have the right to an interpreter and you have the right to have an attorney present in your removal proceedings. Now, you do have the right to an interpreter. If you do not speak English, the government will provide an interpreter for you during your removal proceedings. You also have the right to have an attorney present with you during your removal proceedings, meaning you can hire an attorney to represent you in removal proceedings. Unfortunately, the government is not going to provide you with an immigration attorney to defend you in removal proceedings because they are civil in nature and don't require the US government to provide you with an attorney. That's why what I said earlier, having an advocate that will fight for your rights in removal proceedings is going to be very important. I know I am that advocate that will represent you and will fight for every single right you have in removal proceedings, and I've been doing it for so long. Call us 1-888-963-7326 or on the web americandream.law. Get in touch with us and I'll be more than happy to help. Thank you, and I look forward to speaking to you.